How to create an Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create an account on Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, launch the application. After you do that, you can see over here that you can either create an account to your phone number or from your email address. So after you enter one of them, you will receive a code on the email or the phone number you just entered. After you enter the code, Instagram will ask you to create a password. Now you can create a password that you can remember easily. After you do that, you have to enter your birth date over here. Then enter the name you want to keep on your Instagram. After that, you have to choose a username for your Instagram account. After you select a username for you, you have to agree to the Instagram's terms and policies. And then you can add a profile photo for your Instagram account, or you can skip it for now. And there you go. After you do all that and put up all your information, you can successfully create an Instagram account. So this is how you can create an account on Instagram. Thank you.